Steelers' bold gamble? Is trading George Pickens the right move? The Pittsburgh Steelers are at a pivotal crossroads, facing a decision that could either propel their offense into Super Bowl contention or send it into uncertainty. The topic dominating conversations in NFL circles. A potential trade involving wide receiver George Pickens. A move that could reshape the team's receiving core and alter the franchise's trajectory for years to come. The trade rumor that's shaking things up. According to Steelers beat reporter Mike DeFabua, Pittsburgh is seriously considering trading George Pickens to the Carolina Panthers in exchange for a second-round draft pick. This isn't just another off-season rumor. It's a bold proposition that could redefine the Steelers' offensive strategy. But why would Pittsburgh even entertain this idea? For one, the Steelers have a well-documented history of parting ways with wide receivers before they demand big-money contracts. Think of players like Antonio Brown and Juju Smith-Schuster. Both were once integral parts of the offense before being moved or let go. Now, with DK Metcalf already secured through a recent trade, the team might be preparing to avoid another costly extension for Pickens, who's entering the final year of his rookie contract. Why this trade makes sense and why it's risky. 1. Financial flexibility. NFL teams have to manage their salary cap meticulously, and the Steelers are no exception. With Metcalf's lucrative contract already on the books, committing to another high-priced wide receiver like Pickens could strain their finances. Trading Pickens now, while his value is at its peak, allows Pittsburgh to recoup valuable assets without risking a hefty contract extension. Second, off-field dynamics. Pickens' time in Pittsburgh has been a roller coaster. While his talent is undeniable, marked by incredible catches, contested grabs, and a fiery competitive spirit, his relationship with the coaching staff has been a topic of discussion. Coach Mike Tomlin's remarks about Pickens needing to grow up hint at some internal friction. Trading him could be a way to move past those issues, ensuring a more cohesive locker room dynamic. The draft capital. A second-round pick is a valuable asset, especially in a deep draft class. The Steelers could use this pick to select a receiver who fits their system and offers immediate production, minimizing the risk of losing a key playmaker without a solid replacement. Enter Jaden Higgins, the potential replacement. If the Steelers pull the trigger on this trade, they could target Iowa State's Jaden Higgins with that second-round pick. Standing at 6 feet 4 inches and weighing 217 pounds, Higgins is a physical specimen with a game-changing skill set. Last season, he racked up 87 catches, 1,183 yards, and 9 touchdowns, numbers that showcase his ability to dominate at the college level. Known for his large catch radius, strong hands, and exceptional blocking ability, Higgins could be the perfect complement to DK Metcalf's deep threat prowess. Imagine a receiving duo with Higgins' size and physicality paired with Metcalf's explosiveness. Defenses would struggle to contain both, creating mismatches all over the field. The bigger picture, building for the future. This isn't just about trading one player for another, it's about strategy. The Steelers are looking to hit the reset button on their wide receiver room, focusing on youth, cost efficiency, and long-term sustainability. Adding to the intrigue is the potential acquisition of veteran quarterback Aaron Rodgers. If Rodgers joins Pittsburgh, the team will need to surround him with elite weapons. Metcalf and a strong draft pick like Higgins could form a dynamic duo capable of taking the offense to new heights. But here's the catch. The success of this trade hinges on the Steelers' ability to draft the right player. If Higgins or another wide receiver they target fails to meet expectations, the trade could backfire spectacularly. The high stakes of this gamble trading. George Pickens is undeniably bold. It's a move that could either cement Pittsburgh's future as a Super Bowl contender or haunt them if things don't pan out. What if Higgins doesn't adjust to the NFL? What if Pickens becomes a superstar elsewhere? What if Rodgers doesn't bring the expected success? These are the risks the Steelers are taking. But then again, Pittsburgh has always been a franchise known for making daring decisions. Whether it's drafting Ben Roethlisberger in 2004, trading for Antonio Brown, or moving up the draft board for key acquisitions, the Steelers have never shied away from bold moves. Final thoughts. The future of the Steelers. If the Steelers do decide to trade George Pickens, it will mark yet another bold step in their evolving team-building approach. They've always been a franchise that values tough decisions, and this would be no exception. Will this gamble pay off? Or will it be a move they regret for years to come? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. The ripple effects of such a move will be felt for years to come, both within the Steelers' locker room and across